Hey everyone, and welcome to Emerald Editing. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to change the color of anything you want inside of Adobe Photoshop. This tutorial is going to be really fast and simple and easy to follow along. So let's not waste any more time. 3, 2, 1, let's edit. Alright guys, so before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button down below and make sure to subscribe so I can keep making tutorials like this in the future. Alright, so going into Adobe Photoshop now, let's create a new file and then we can just do any size. We're going to be doing 1000 by 1000 for this tutorial. So get the picture that you want to change the color of. So I got this one right here from iStock Photo. So I'm going to be showing you guys a few different ways. The first way is to just select your subject. In this example, we're going to be changing the color of his shirt. Alright, so once it has selected it, using the object selection tool, hit Command J to paste what you just selected onto a new layer. So then after that, hit Command U and this will bring up the hue and saturation, which you can easily change the color of his shirt. So you can see if we want to set up orange or red, green. So we can just toggle this off and on to see how fast and easy we changed it. So another way is if you go to the adjustment layers and then go to hue and saturation, then hit colorize right here on this menu. So again, select your subject. This time I use the object selection tool and then hit Command J to paste it onto a new layer. Then right click on the hue and saturation layer that you just made and then click create clipping mask. Now this will only color what is on the bottom. So instead of coloring his whole body, it will only color his shirt. So then hit colorize and then now you can see we can easily change the color of his shirt. And I feel like this one has a little more flexibility on how much you want to change the color, since you can change the saturation. You can put it all the way down, the lightness. So if you want to make it a lot lighter, like if he's outside for example, and make it like green. So yeah, you can just mess around with these a little bit. So now let's go to the final way that you can change the color. So again, have your subject. Let's just say you want to add more than one color. Make an empty layer on top and then make this a clipping mask by holding Option and clicking in the middle of both layers. From there, let's just say we want him to have like a half and half shirt, so we can just do something like, or even if you want to add some highlights, so you can just do something like that. And then let's change it to something like an orange. So once it's how you want it like this, go to the blending options and then go to color. Now you can see he has a little bit of both of them. So if we make this more orange, let's just say we want this blue again. Or even if you go to linear light, it makes this really cool little effect. So yeah guys, I think that's going to wrap up today's video. This was a quick one just to show you guys how to change the color of an object in Photoshop. If this helped you in any way, or if you enjoyed this video as well, make sure to hit the like button down below. It's really easy and helps out the channel a ton. And make sure to subscribe so you can be notified once I make a new video. So thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.